What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have just a quick little video. I'm swapping a couple things on my truck, and I figure I'll just show you guys just so it's easy and so in case someone's looking at it and how to do it. I'm gonna show you real quick. So we're gonna be swapping the mirrors from my truck. I have the black ones right now. We're gonna be putting some chrome ones, and I'm also gonna swap the door handles from black to chrome as well. They're both really easy. To swap the mirror, it only takes about 3 bolts. And to swap the door handle is 2 bolts, but obviously it takes a little more work because you have to get to the back of it. So that means removing all the interior bits and all that. So I'm gonna show you real quick here. Let's do it. Alright guys, and here we have the black mirror. As you can see, this is what came in my truck originally. And then I'm gonna swap this chrome one from my parts truck. It's a little bit dirty, but it should work just the same. To get to that one, we're gonna open the door, get to the bolts on the back, and then it should be pretty easy to swap. Let's do it. And then here on the inside, basically you have a Phillips screwdriver here. Take that one off, and then you're gonna pop this plastic cover, and there's gonna be 2 more screws in there. Pop those off, and basically the whole thing comes off. To install it, obviously you just do it backwards. Just be careful with this plastic piece. They can be pretty brittle, and sometimes they feel like they're pretty stuck in there. So make sure when you pop it, you don't break it, because that might be a little bit harder to replace. I haven't seen those online, so just be careful of that, and then you basically can have your new mirrors in place. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we took the cover off. Once again, just be careful with that. Make sure you don't break it. And you're going to see 2 more Phillips screws here. Take those off, and the whole thing's going to come off. Make sure you're holding it so it doesn't fall off and break or anything like that. And then you can swap your new one in if you have a new one, or if you need to fix anything with this one, then you just put it back in there. So I'm gonna move on to doing the door handle, and let me show you on the outside. I have currently my black door handles, and we're gonna swap those into a chrome one that is also coming out of my parts truck, to just kind of make the whole truck look just a little more chrome so they match the wheels. So let's take the door panel from the inside off, and then I'll show you which bolts you need to take off. Okay guys, after you remove your door panel, we're gonna go in here and look to where our door handle is. And as you can see here in the back, there is a bolt there, and then there's gonna be one on the other side. Might be a little hard to see right there. There are gonna be 10mm. Basically, you need to unbolt those 2, and then you should be able to get your handle out. But first, you might want to come in here. Let me see if I can get a good angle. If you see that part right here, you need to disconnect that. Basically, you get a flathead screwdriver, hit it from the little edge here, and it should pop open. Then you can get this bar out of the way by pushing it out, and then remove your bolts, take the door handle out, and then put your new door handle in place and put everything back the same way you took it off. So let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see here, we have the door handle finally off. We're gonna put our new one in there in place, and then bolt everything back together. Alright guys, and as you can see, we put our new chrome mirror in place. It looks great. It's a little bit dirty because it came out of my parts truck, but it looks good. It matches my wheels. We have our new door handle here as well, and it looks good. That's really all I have for today guys. Just like I said, real short video. Hopefully it helps you if you're thinking about doing this swap. Real easy. So see you guys on the next video. Bye.